So it'll burn more. This little guy right here, this is a biopod. This is part of our chicken feeding system and our compost system. So whether it's, this thing will digest anything. You can,
Did you buy it like that, or did you make it?
yeah, I bought it it's called a biopod. It's right there on the lid, and basically it has this lid. We just slide over to put. It's empty. I emptied it out.
Oh.
But the whole purpose of this device is the black soldier fly.
Oh. That's what we want to do.
Again, can we do a class on one?
Yes. I'll be there.
We could do a class on just those. We could. Yeah, today is pretty informal and lightweight. Anyway, I keep it bungee because the wind wants to blow it down.
Right to the black soldier fly larvae.
Oh my gosh,
Per
I thought.
pound.
What do you
Yeah.
And I love
Yeah,
it.
they're ridiculous.
You know?
Yeah.
Oh, you can use to feed your chicken. Well,
It's a
They're
treat.
special treats.
oh, for your chickens.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a
But there's a couple of things you get out of it besides chicken food. Number one, if I have a dead chicken, it goes in here. It can go in here. The black soldier fly will break it down.
How fast? How sad.
A week?
What?
Yeah, a week, 2 weeks tops. It's gone.
That's crazy.
There's nothing in
There's
there.
nothing in there now.
I emptied it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But so what happens is the black soldier fly, they live in the tree canopy. That's kind of why you want it at least under some trees. That's typically where they're found, where they live. So they'll come in. They actually will come in under the edge of this lid to get in here and lay their eggs. And the eggs, the larva, is what you're after, right? The larva. The larva climb or walk up these ramps because as larvae, for whatever reason, their instinct tells them to go up, whether it's up a tree, up a stick, they're trying to get higher for some reason. They fall in this bin, and we come and collect this bin, take it out, and feed the chickens. It's free.
How often do you sweat?
Every day.
Every day.
In the summer, every day.
How full does it get in there?
How full? Depends on the year. Some years we've had 3/4 of it full. Sometimes it's just a few. Yeah.
What do you put it in here besides, like, to get them
Food,
in there?
food scrap,
So
anything.
So when you get there,
Anything
like
organic.
You get it in the mail or whatever.
Mhm.
It's ready to go. You just
Ready
gotta
to go.
feed it.
Got to put it in.
What it comes
So
with
what's
this?
the
What's
postage
that
thing?
for?
Yeah, so there's a jug right over there. That water jug at the bottom over there, that usually sits here underneath it. Because what's the liquid that comes out of here is fertilizer. But it's an extremely hot fertilizer. You must dilute it at least 20 to 1.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Yeah, I've gotten it on my hands and I can
Fertilizer
actually,
concentrate.
it's very concentrated. I can actually feel just a little bit, it's a little uncomfortable. It's like getting industrial fertilizer on the
Yeah.
hands. It doesn't feel good. So yeah, it's a very highly concentrated fertilizer that comes out of the biopod. So we dilute it 20 to 1. I've got probably 10 or 15 gallons left in the greenhouse that you can see what it looks like. The other great benefit of this is that the black soldier fly and the liquid are repellent for all the flies we don't want.
Really? Hallelujah.
Oh, cool.
They repel trash flies. I don't know what else it repels, maybe some other stuff, but it will repel trash flies. They don't end up in here, none. So you guys, if some of you might have the turn, spin compost, you end up with those guys in there. Those are black soldier fly larvae.
Like, always on when y'all were there that one time,
Yeah.
like, they just wind up there, which
Right
is
up on
fine.
top.
We just grab them and get them to the picnic.
Absolutely, they love you for that.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
I put them like in a little to-go container. I stake it. Sometimes I get something when you first get chickens, that noise that they would come running. So I put the black soldier flies like a little to-go box and I stake it, and they come running from the bag. They're like, oh yeah, like a big old tree.
Well, what does a bag of them cost at the store now?
Oh, my
Like
God.
30 or 40 bucks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like 10 pounds. It's not.
Yeah, and not cheap. So, and how do they come? It's dried out, right?
Yeah, they're probably from China or something too.
That
Yeah,
could be.
I
Who
don't
knows?
know. Seriously.
Who knows?
They are.
Could be from anywhere.